Wise and Currencies Direct are international money transfer services that are pretty similar. Both services let you send money overseas at affordable rates with excellent customer support. But here's the deal. They're not the same. So in this video, we'll compare Wise and Currencies Direct and do an in-depth analysis about the real costs and hidden fees, which brand is safer, the ease of use of each brand, and the differences in their transfer speeds. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding which brand is best suited for your needs. Currencies Direct was founded in 1995 and Wise in 2010. Right from the outset, they were designed to serve quite different people, and this is still the case today. Currencies Direct is an excellent choice for inexpensive, large transfers above $7,000 and excellent phone support at every step of the process. Meanwhile, Wise is best for inexpensive, smaller, below $7,000 bank-to-bank transfers where fast and efficient online transfers are easily done. Real fees and hidden costs. One of the key advantages of using Wise is its commitment to fair pricing. With Wise, you can say goodbye to hidden costs and unexpected fees. They provide a transparent fee structure, allowing you to see the exact amount your recipient will receive. This means you'll always have a clear understanding of the fees involved before making a transfer. Wise also ensures that you get the best exchange rates possible. By offering transfers at the mid-market rate, Wise eliminates any margins on the exchange rate. This ensures that you get the most value out of your money without incurring unnecessary charges. When it comes to fees, Wise keeps them remarkably low, with a fixed fee ranging from approximately 0.5% to 1.5% of the transfer amount. Wise offers a cost-effective solution for sending money across borders. What's more, if you're transferring larger sums, Wise provides volume discounts for transfers exceeding $140,000 or $100,000 GBP, giving you even more savings. Wise takes convenience a step further by eliminating sending and receiving bank fees. By utilizing local bank accounts in the areas they serve, Wise ensures that you don't have to worry about additional charges imposed by banks. This streamlined approach allows for faster and more efficient transfers, keeping more money in your pocket. It's important to note that while Wise strives to minimize costs, credit or debit card charges may apply for card-funded transfers. However, these charges are clearly communicated upfront, allowing you to make an informed decision and choose the most suitable payment method. Currencies Direct eliminates the traditional charges, allowing you to save more on your transfers. With no fixed fee most of the time, you have the freedom to exchange currencies without worrying about additional costs eating into your funds. One of the most significant advantages of choosing Currencies Direct over a traditional bank is the highly competitive exchange rates they offer. While banks typically charge a margin of 3 to 5% on the exchange rate, Currencies Direct keeps this margin impressively low, ranging from approximately 0.5 to 2% of the transfer amount. This means you can enjoy more favorable rates and maximize the value of your money. Furthermore, Currencies Direct understands that the amount you transfers can make a difference in the overall costs. As your transfer amount increases, their margin on the exchange rate decreases, making larger transfers over $7,000 surprisingly affordable. This flexibility ensures that you get the best possible rates regardless of the amount you're sending. It's important to consider potential hidden charges when making your decision. While Currencies Direct strives for transparency, there may be sending and receiving bank fees or taxation in the receiving country for transfers above certain amounts. It's crucial to be aware of these potential charges and evaluate their impact on your overall costs. Finally, Currencies Direct offers an exchange rate guarantee, which is a valuable benefit when comparing it to a traditional bank. While banks' exchange rates can fluctuate, Currencies Direct guarantees that the rate you see at the time of booking is the rate you'll receive. This assurance provides peace of mind and eliminates any surprises or disappointments regarding the exchange rate. And the winner is, well, it's a tie. Although we think Wise and Currencies Direct operate best in different categories, small and large transfers respectively, I choose to tie them when it comes to fees for a few reasons. Wise shows transfers at the mid-market rate, then adds on a low, very transparent fee. Meanwhile, Currencies Direct, while not as transparent upfront, due to their fee being built into the exchange rate, are very competitive and even offer an exchange rate guarantee. Which is safer? Wise is regulated by authorities such as Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, the UK Financial Conduct Authority, National Bank of Belgium as an authorized payment institution, the Australia Securities and Investment Commission's Financial Transactions and Reports Analysis Center, and Financial Customs and Exchange Department. It is also regulated in India, Japan, Malaysia, New Zealand, Singapore, and the UAE. Wise is also listed on the London Stock Exchange. Wise keeps your money separate from their operational funds. Usually, customers' money is kept in banks like JP Morgan or Barclays, depending on your location. Their website has a valid industry-leading SSL certificate, and their app uses two-factor authentication to keep your money and data safe. Currencies Direct Ltd is a licensed and regulated in all the sending countries, including the US, as a money service business. They're also licensed as a money transmitter in most states in the US. They're also regulated by the FCA in the UK, the Bank of Spain in the EU, FinTrack in Canada, and South Africa through an authorized dealer bank in South Africa, in accordance with South African Reserve Bank exchange control rules and regulations. They have a level 1 credit rating by Dun & Bradstreet. They have offices in the US, UK, Canada, South Africa, India, as well as Spain and Portugal in the EU. Their customer support can be reached by phone. They use industry-leading encryption technology on their website and app. And the winner is, well, it's a tie. In both ways, both Wise and Currencies Direct appear safe as licensed financial service providers. Not only are both high regulated, Wise is well funded and listed on the London Stock Exchange, and Currencies Direct have an excellent credit rating. On a practical level, both appear to be safe as is reasonable. Ease of use. Everything is online with Wise. You can set up transfers on their website or by downloading their mobile app, available on both Android and iOS. They're very transparent about their fees and processes. Wise has an extensive frequently asked questions sections should you have any questions. They have a responsive customer service team who are available via email and chat. Currencies Direct is available both online and offline. They provide personal account managers who can offer customized advice on the phone. Currencies Direct also have a mobile app available on both Android and iOS, which you can use to set up and track your transfers. And the winner is, well, it's a tie again. If you're comfortable doing everything online and want to send small, below $7,000 bank-to-bank transfers abroad, Wise is an excellent choice. I love that they're upfront about their fees and have an extensive FAQ section. Plus, I found their customer service team is very responsive when helping you resolve issues with your transfers. For small amounts, this is usually sufficient. But if you're sending large amounts, you'll love Currencies Direct's hands-on service. From flexible transfers options to a personal account manager who can get you great rates and clarity about how to minimize fees. Currencies Direct makes the transferring large amounts above $7,000 safe, affordable, and effortless. What do people have to say about both companies? Wise has over 189,000 reviews on Trustpilot with an average rating of 4.4. Currencies Direct has over 8,000 reviews and has an average rating of 4.9. And the winner is, well, it's a tie once again. I couldn't pick a winner this round because the vast majority of reviews seem to be happy with both Wise and Currencies Direct. I found many saying that they're affordable, fast, and efficient in most cases. Most of the negative comments for both services were both about frozen accounts or delayed transfers. When these things happen, it's usually due to factors that are pretty out of control of money transfer services, like local regulatory checks. So to prevent any hiccups, it's always best to follow any guidelines set by the companies. The good news is that both services are responsive when dealing with any issues, so you can be reassured that you won't be left to worry without help if these issues happen to you. Transfer speeds. Typically, Wise processes their transfers in 1-2 days when you're working with major currencies such as USD, GBP, Euro, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, or Singaporean dollar. Wise is optimized for smaller transfers, which require fewer checks and verifications, so funds go through fairly quickly. Transfers funded via credit and debit cards can even be processed in a matter of hours for major currencies, but are also more expensive. Bank transfers are slower, but more affordable. Currencies Direct fulfill transfers to their most popular destinations like Canada, USA, Sweden, Japan, Spain, South Africa, and Australia in 24 to 48 hours. If you're sending to exotic locations, they may take up to 3 to 5 business days. This is the industry standard for larger transfers above $7,000, as there are usually more checks involved. And the winner is, well, you guessed it right, it's a tie. Both Wise and Currencies Direct are at the top of their game when it comes to processing amounts they're optimized to handle, small and large respectively, efficiently and swiftly. Customer service and support. Wise has responsive customer support who can be reached out via email and chat, and they have an extensive frequently asked questions section on their website. Currencies Direct has an end-to-end phone support from onboarding, booking transfers to troubleshooting, and they also have a personal account manager. And the winner is, It's a tie. As an online-focused service processing small bank-to-bank transfers, Wise's extent of customer support seems adequate. In my experience, their customer service team is proactive while solving problems via chat and email. Because Currencies Direct targets large amount transfers, they put your mind completely at ease with their personal phone support to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Awesome extras. Wise has a multi-currency account for both individual and businesses to hold and transfer between 50 plus currencies. They have a dedicated business account with useful integrations and bulk payment options. Wise has a volume discount for transfers above $140,000. You also get international bank details in 10 major currencies to pay and get paid like a local, and a master debit card with free worldwide ATM withdrawals and low-cost online payments. Currencies Direct, however, also has a multi-currency account for businesses and online sellers. They batch payment processing for businesses, and Currencies Direct has a flexible payment options like spot contract, forward contract, and market orders to save big on current or future transfers of large amounts above $7,000. And the winner is Wise. Wise wins this round because their international money management tools are awesome for many different people: travelers, digital nomads, freelancers, and businesses. You can also use their multi-currency account to accept payments from people around the world. Their debit card allows you to spend multiple currencies like a local, and they've got some great tools for businesses too, like batch payments. The cool perks offered by Currencies Direct are limited to businesses only, but these can be extremely helpful and cost-saving for large businesses and high-volume e-commerce stores. Essentially, Currencies Direct functions more as a more old-school forex broker who can share personalized advice with you or your business. So here's the main takeaway. They're both great, but one is going to be better depending on what are your needs. I believe it is hard to beat Wise in terms of cost efficiency, speed, and customer service when it comes to bank-to-bank transfers below $7,000. Plus, their multi-currency account is a great add-on for both individuals and businesses. Currencies Direct, on the other hand, is one of the best services out there for large transfers about $7,000. Users love being set up with a personal account manager who can explain the process, answer all their questions, and help them figure out how to minimize the transfer costs. By the way, if you would like to sign up to Wise, make sure to use my link down in the description. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.